Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I detangle this dry matted fussy hair. This hair has been like this for at least 3 weeks now, and as you can see it's looking so dry. So we're going to start by detangling this hair before we do a proper wash day routine. And for this particular video I'm going to show you guys how I detangle the hair specifically. So first we're going to start by spraying the hair with warm water. I'm going to saturate the hair with warm water. Her hair is high porosity hair and I had to spray a whole lot of water, and as you can see I think I was having too much fun that I started spraying the water at the same time. So we're going to saturate the hair with warm water and allow it to sink into the hair before we start detangling the hair properly. So I don't know if you guys can see how matted the hair is. Even the ends are matted and knotted, and I'm going to try my best to detangle this hair without causing damage or too much breakage to the hair. And for this you have to make sure you have your white tooth comb, your wooden comb. You just get any big comb you have, and also get your conditioner. You can use your normal hair conditioner or your deep conditioner, anyone you have. And another thing you have to do is to make sure you work in small sections. So for this I'm going to use my Mega Grow Deep Conditioner. If you watch my videos you know that this is one product that I love so much. So I'm going to start applying this to the part I already parted, and you can rub the conditioner in between your hands before applying to the hair anyhow you like, but just make sure that the conditioner is going to reach every single part of the hair down to the roots. So I'm going to apply it generously. You don't have to spare your conditioner at this point. Use as much as you can so that it can help you soften the hair and detangle the hair properly. So I'm going to apply this conditioner properly, and I'm going to finger detangle this hair. And I'm going to, as you can see, I'm going to use my fingers to detangle the hair piece by piece. Now after detangling the hair, I am going to use my white tooth comb to comb the hair from the ends to the roots. I don't know why I didn't show that clip here. I probably didn't film when I was doing that, but you're going to use your white tooth comb to comb from the ends down to the roots. And after doing that you're going to twist the hair just in 2 strands. Twist the hair and then continue with other sections of the hair. So I'm done with this part of the hair. Ignore my ugly twist. I'm going to retwist this later because we're still going to do a pre-poo. We're going to do a hot oil treatment before we actually start washing the hair. So I'm still going to take this down and apply oil to each and every one of them, and then I'm going to twist it back properly. So I'm done with this part. I'm going to go off camera and detangle the rest of the hair and twist it, and then I'll come back to talk to you guys. So I am done twisting the hair, I am done detangling the hair, and as you can see, the hair is looking like I didn't apply any single product to it, but trust me, I applied a lot, and the hair is so soft now and is manageable, as you can see. So I'm going to cover the hair with a plastic cap and leave it for 1 hour, a whole hour. And after leaving this for 1 hour, I'm going to go ahead and do the hot oil treatment before I actually start washing the hair. So I'm not doing a wash day routine right now, but if you guys want me to post a video of the wash day routine, please kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll get the video right up for you guys. And this is the amount of hair that came out from the detangling process. You can see we didn't lose too much hair, and this is the comb that I used. Don't forget to use your big combs for detangling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.